that crypto, Joey Shaw!
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another lecture. Let's talk about, we talked about the white line in the previous video, the one that you may or may not have seen today. I would advise you to check it out so you can understand maybe what's going on here in this video, but up to you. Let's jump into this video. This video is about what do I mean when I say stocks are just pump and dumps. That's all stocks are. We just pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump. So let's go over the whiteboard. I'm going to pull out the whiteboard here for the first time in a long time. It's been a long time since I pulled up the whiteboard. I think I have to go to Microsoft Edge. I believe so. Yep. Let's grab our online whiteboard here. Who needs a physical whiteboard? That's for suckers. Joey Shaw has like 20 of them in his room. It's ridiculous. I've never seen a man with so many whiteboards. Like, what? But yeah. Let me see. Okay. So what do I mean by pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump? So let's say, let's go with some letters here. Let's go with A. So A, and then over here we're going to have B. You'll see where I'm getting with this in a bit. And then C. And then maybe there we go. Some more spacing, some white space. Let's grab some padding, as the coders would say, with some good old CSS. Throw some HTML in there. Okay, why is this not working? Okay, there we go. So what do I mean by pump, dump? Well, there are three patterns in the market. Ultimately, there are three patterns. And it's important to know these patterns so you understand why I always tell people to trade stocks that are above the white line, purple line. Why I always tell you, hey, be cautious if we start going under the white line or the purple line. All right. So, A, this is the first pattern that I'm going to show you, which is the classic stock is going sideways, and what happens when it's going sideways? It just ranges, but it's got lots of pump and dumps. That's what it is. It just pump and dumps in a range. That is a perfect example here of what Nvidia has been doing, right? You look at Nvidia, wow, it's almost like it's just a little too on the nose, right? Look at that. It's in a trading range. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. Pump is what we would expect if it's going to continue to stay in this trading range. So that's the first example I wanted to show you. And the first pattern. The second pattern, the one that I love the most, is when it pump and dumps like this. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, right? We all love this kind of price action. We all love this kind of pattern. Why? Well, it's hard to lose if it just keeps going up, number one. Number two, everyone's a genius because it just keeps going up, right? It's a pump and dump, but it's a pump and dump that keeps going higher. Whereas this is a pump and dump where it just keeps going sideways, but hey, we can still make money trading the pump and dump. And this is better. This is why I tell people, man, if you see a stock trending to the upside, having these kinds of pump and dumps up to the upside, that's a winner. Get in there and buy your stock and you're going to be fine. A perfect example of that would be ASTS. Right? ASTS, what do you see? It went up above the white line, and what has it been doing since it went up above that white line? If you saw the white line last line of defense video, you should know where I'm getting at here. This is why I said you should check it out if you haven't. But what happens? Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump higher, dump, pump higher, dump, pump higher, dump. And we'll see if it rinses and repeats. But again, I'm seeing a head and shoulders here. I'm starting to see head and shoulders patterns. I think I saw it on Ondas as well, which is very concerning. Anyways, yeah, pump, dump, pump, dump. But this is a beautiful pump and dump, right? And notice how it doesn't even come down to the white line, the last line of defense. It actually just comes down to the purple line, and that always bounces off of it. And so that's why I always tell people buy at the purple line, because when there's so much buying pressure, it's going to have a hard time coming down to that last line of defense. And that's why when it does come down to the white line, I'm like, hey guys, if you want to buy, I don't blame you, but be ready to take a small loss in case it goes under and starts tanking. If you saw my previous video from today, you know what I'm talking about. You should be studying, taking notes. These 3 videos that I'm making today, they're very important for you to understand how I see my perspective of the markets. So pump, dump to the upside. Everyone's a genius. Woo! We buy the purple line. Woo! Right? We're smarter. We buy down here. We don't buy up here at the top and then wait for it to come back up to a new high. None of that. You know, the funny thing about stocks like these is even if you bought the top every single time, you still made money, right? If you bought the top at 60, it went to 102. You still made money. It comes back up for you. So you can be a really bad trader and buy the top every single time here. Buy the top on this pattern. You're still going to come out with profit. That is the beauty, and that is why I love stocks that stay above the white line and the purple line. And that's why I love this pump and dump pattern. And finally, C. Oh man, I hate when people show me stocks that do this pattern. This is such a garbage pattern, but this is the pattern that I hate. Dump, pump, dump, lower, pump, dump, and dump. Right? We call that a downtrend, a bear market crash. Oh no, it's over, end of the world. Okay, so let me show you an example of that. Let me see if I can find it. What is it? Is it color? Should we use color again? I mean, color is just a good stock to beat up on. But yeah. You can see here, pump, dump, lower, pump, dump, lower, and pump, dump, lower, pump, dump, lower, pump, dump, lower, and rinse and repeat. This is why I stopped making videos on color, because what am I supposed to tell people? Hey guys, it's going to turn around. I'm going to lie to you to your face and say, yeah, woo, the next run is going to be epic. It's just BS. Come on, man. I'm not that kind of channel. Not that kind of channel. This is garbage. It's under the white and purple line, and it just keeps going with that pattern, just tanking over and over again. The worst kind of pattern. And this is why I tell people, I don't know why you want to trade stocks like color. I don't know why people want to trade stocks like what's the other one? Knightscope, KSCP. Another example, right? Pump, dump, lower, pump, dump, lower, pump, dump, lower, pump, dump, lower, pump. And then it went sideways, and then it started repeating the pattern again. Pump and dump lower, pump and dump lower, pump and dump lower, pump. At some point, this thing's going to come down to $1 if it doesn't turn around, and it's just going to reverse split. And the pattern will repeat. And I say that because this has been an established pattern since forever. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Since way back in 2022, it's been nothing more than a pump and dump lower. It just keeps dumping lower, 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 lower. I don't understand why people want to trade stocks like this. So there you go, guys. Those are the 3 patterns to memorize. Write them down, whatever you got to do. And when you look at a stock, the first thing you need to ask yourself, what kind of pattern is it exhibiting on the daily time frame? And if you have to zoom out on the weekly time frame, do that too. That might give you a clearer picture. But ultimately, you want to trade B and A and get away from anything that looks like C, and focus on B, stocks that exhibit this kind of pattern, the B pattern here. That's what you want to focus on because it's easy. Everyone's a genius. It just keeps going up. A is also good. Riot stock is a great example of something that I trade that just keeps going sideways. So you just got to find what your bread and butter is going to be. Like what's going to be your A pattern and B pattern bread and butter. Look at this. It's just going sideways long term. You want to see the monthly time frame? Bam! Look at that monthly time frame. It's just sideways. So what do? We buy low, sell high, pump down, rinse and repeat. This is how I view the markets. And I hope that you take something away from this. I will leave it at that. As always, hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more educational videos. I hope you have a great Friday. I'll see you guys in the next one.